I've always believed in order to find a solution to a problem, it is necessary to understand the cause of that problem. If you don't understand the cause of a problem, you'll be scratching the surface or probably making a few speeches here and there, but probably the solution to the problems will not come, action will not come. And that is why I thought over it a lot. While you are in service, you are in an action mode, you're trying to do things. It is post-retirement that you start reflecting on what happened. And that's when I came to this formulation that in India, it is very easy to have an idea. So if you walk down the street and ask a man on the street for any problem, he'll probably suggest a solution to you. Almost everyone has an idea about everything. It's not a dearth of knowledge that prevents action on the ground. So it's easy to have an idea, but for an idea to fructify and sustain, both are important. Not only should an idea fructify, because otherwise it becomes purely an academic discussion. And as a practitioner, I always believe that all ideas should lead to some concrete action on the ground, because man on the ground is not bothered about what you and I are discussing. Man on the ground is bothered about what actually happens ultimately on the ground. So for an idea to fructify, it has to be politically acceptable, socially desirable, technologically feasible, financially viable, administratively doable, judicially tenable, and emotionally relatable. That's quite handful. When I make this statement, almost everyone say that is why nothing happens in the government. No, it is despite the fact that these factors exist, a lot does happen in the government. And that is what I am going to tell you today. But let us first try and understand why these 7 aspects of happening are important to be understood for anything to happen on the ground.